Well, you guys, I made my plate. And if you guys want to see how I make this my dinner, just keep watching this video. So I put some cheese on top, and then it's my garlic bread. Wow, look at that, you guys. It's a 5 cheese garlic bread. And of course, got some peppers. Yes, yes, yes. And this is a quick video, I guarantee you guys. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, you guys like this video? Give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. To show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any question. Thumb this video up, and also share with your friends as well. And if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. God bless. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. Everybody happy said you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. And for the drink I'm having, you guys, is I really love this. This is so good. Yes. Okay, you guys, so I don't know why they say 1 or 3. I don't know what that is. Oops. Sorry about that, you guys. Oh my gosh. They even look better. Wowza. Oh wow. I just did something, you guys. Alright, you guys. I missed to dig in because I am hungry. Wow, look at that, you guys. There you guys go. You can get the first bite. I don't mind. There you go. And I take my bite. Oh my God, that's good, you guys. This is taco spaghetti. Guys want another bite? You guys go. Wow, that's good, you guys. A piece of garlic bread, a cheese bread. Look at that. Wow. How you guys go? That is so good. Wow. Good to the last drop. Body pepper. All right. And again, like I said, you guys want to see how I make this? Just keep watching this video. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Bye-bye. And keep watching if you want to see how I prepare this meal with my taco spaghetti. Okay? Bye-bye.
Everybody should know that's how love goes. It's good for the soul. Oh, I got a long way to go, but it won't stop the pain. No.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, when I'm cooking in my kitchen, I'm cooking taco spaghetti. And this is the ingredient that I'm gonna cook with. I'm gonna use this kind of noodles. 2 pounds of ground beef. This is I'm using 1 can or ROTEL. And you see how it got different flavor in it. And this one got the cilantro. I love these tomatoes. Fire roasted tomato and tacos with tomato sauce, but I don't like paste. Cause a lot of people put tomato paste, but I don't like that. And 1 can, yes. I like spicy. Okay, and some people just only, if you want to chop up a whole onion or bell pepper, you can, but I like to bypass cutting up onions and stuff. And you can, buy the frozen green bell peppers, onion. That's if you want, not if you ain't got time to cut up onion. I like to put sugar in my my spaghetti. And okay, so here's the deal. If you guys don't want to use all this season, but I like my spaghetti season well, you guys could just only use the taco season. Okay? And you can buy this in your local grocery store as well. So don't worry about this. This is something that I'm adding to my recipe, okay? But if you want to go and just add the taco season, this is the only thing that you want to use, be more happy to use it. Okay? Also, you can, I like sugar because it cut down the, if you use these kind of tomato, cut down that, what they call it. But this is something I'm going to use extra season, oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, salt, black pepper. And I love this right here. I got this back again. I love this season right here. You pick this up at Sam Club. Might just only use maybe a half a teaspoon because it really got a good flavor to it. Also, usually I use, this is the same thing. What it is just chopped up real good, the garlic. And also, in my spaghetti, I'm going to use Texas Toast. That's the brand I'm using. So I'm going to go ahead and put the Texas Toast in my oven. Okay. Show you. And this is how that Texas Toast look with the fried cheese. So this is going in my oven. Okay. And if you guys want to see how many minutes, if you buy that kind, it'll tell you on the box. I think 8 minutes. You just want the cheese to melt. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna heat up my oil. First, I'm gonna saute the vegetable. Okay, I got my water for my spaghetti, and this is how my Texas Toast is ready, you guys. Alrighty. And I'll just saute this till it gets tender and shredded. Then I add my ground beef. Okay, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of my garlic. Put in my ground beef. All the way through. Okay, I'll put in my spaghetti. Okay, guys, I'm gonna drain the grease from it. Okay, so I add my grease, you see. I'm going to add my seasoning. Okay, so I already put my seasoning in my bowl. And you want to see what kind of seasoning I put in it. Just when you see it, just kind of write it down. And see. Yep. Okay, and my sugar. Oops. I did wash my, but then I washed my pan, top of it. And I'm going to go ahead and kind of smash this. I don't want it so big in my spaghetti. Okay, guys, so I got sprinkle my taco seasoning. And I like to, I don't measure, I just eyeball it. Like that. Should be enough. Okay, so now I'm going to put in my tomato sauce. Okay, stir it up. Okay, so now you guys just stir it up like that. Okay, so now I'm going to add both of my canned ROTEL tomatoes. And stir it up. And then I will add a little bit beef oil with it. Okay. That's my taco meat. Other word, taco spaghetti, the meat part. Okay, so I let this simmer about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, and my spaghetti is ready as well. See? It is ready. Okay, now I'll put my top on it.